Hi guys, so getting straight into this video, we are doing a hair review. Shout out to Tracee for sending me her newest launch of pattern hair products to review. It's been a while since I've sat down and filmed an actual video. Second, it's been a while since I have filmed a hair review, and I'm very excited about this review because first of all, these are new products. Okay, they don't have silicones. I do not follow a curly girl method at this point. I just don't like my products to have silicones because based off of my personal experience, they build up in my hair quick. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you probably already watched the unboxing of this PR box. But I'm not gonna be using every product in this line just because there are two gels, and first of all, I don't even like using one gel if I can avoid it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the hydrating mist, the styling cream, and then I'm also going to slap on the curl gel on top of it. However, the other gel is this stronghold gel. So the difference between these two is this is more so for like your wash and go people, aka me, and then you have the stronghold gel, which is for more like slick back styles, slicking edges and all of that. So I'm just gonna wear a wash and go because I have places to be. I also have this edge control, and I will be using this as well. So let's just go ahead and get straight into this video. I feel so weird, y'all. I have not done this literally in like 2 weeks. In fact, it's been longer since I've filmed an actual hair review. But anyway, so I washed my hair about an hour ago, and I just kind of put it up in a bun on the top of my head so it could retain some moisture. Miss Tracee also sent me some hair ties, which I wasn't really that excited about at first, but these are like quality hair ties. Like these, look at how stretchy these are. Maybe I'm just being dramatic, but the normal hair ties that I used to buy from Sally's, they did not stretch this much, and they would break when you stretch it more than 6 inches. So love that. I'm going to be giving a fair assessment of these products. I'm not going to be doing any hacks. I'm not going to be doing anything extra to boost my curl pattern. I'm just going to slap the product on, make sure it's thoroughly applied, and I'm going to let the product do all the talking. So starting off first, I'm going to use the hydrating mist. So Nectar of Gods, it is crafted with aloe vera, coconut oil, avocado oil. The milky formula quenches thirsty curls with essential nutrients and additional moisture between wash days. I'm going to use this just to add some moisture to my hair because there's literally nothing in my hair right now. So okay, so we're already off to okay, never mind. So one thing that I've been doing a little bit different when I'm like doing my hair is I don't actually get my hair like drenched. And a lot of you guys have been asking about doing an updated hair routine and all that, and I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I don't have a routine right now. I just do my hair. I pick up whatever I have lying around, whatever's closest to me. As long as it's good and it works, I've just been using it. I just haven't had the time to create an actual routine. This stuff smells... what is this smell? Gentle, like botanical smell to me. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but spraying it directly in my hair is not working, so I'm gonna spray some in my hand, and I'm just going to smooth this into my hair. The mist itself is like a very thin, like watery consistency. So now that that's been put in my hair, I guess it moisturized. I don't really know. It was alright. I don't really have much to say about that product. So we're gonna move on to the styling cream. So the styling cream, looking like a jar of thick buttercream, our styling cream provides superior moisture penetration and the ideal oil-rich touchable hold when setting twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots, and more. Shea butter, cacao oil, sweet almond oil nourish the hair to promote hair retention while preventing hair breakage damage. Curls and styles stay defined, and all versatile looks our hair can create. Also great for twisting locks. So okay, so this is a very versatile styling cream. I like that. So let's see what she's working with. I'm taking this much and I'm just going to rub it into my hand just to kind of like emulsify the product. Is that the word? I hope that's the word. Okay, this smells like a lotion that I've tried in my childhood, like some Jergens lotion to me. It's very thick. It has a really nice consistency, so I really like that. So this, I really like this. Okay, I like this. I like how it feels in my hair. Oh, this has some hold to it. Can y'all see? Another thing is a little goes a long way. Like, you do not need a lot. So I'm not really doing anything too crazy. I have enough product in my hair. I'm just smoothing all the product in my hair. Like, I don't want to see any white whatsoever. And then I'm giving a little extra TLC to the back of my hair because that's like the problem area for me. Wow. Okay, I'm standing. That hydrating mist, it was mid, alright? But this styling cream... Looking at the ingredients, what gives it that thickness and hold is the shea butter, because that is literally the second ingredient in this product, so you know it's hella shea butter in here. And then it looks like this hydrolyzed wheat protein, which y'all know I love me some wheat protein. Yeah, there are some good ingredients in here, y'all, and you can see that just based off of how my hair looks. So we're gonna move on to the next product. We have the curl gel, which gives you shine, definition, and hold. A favorite for wash and goes, the curl gel is a dream for defined, bouncy, and juicy curls looking for a medium hold. Creamy smooth formula glides on effortlessly and gives life to coils with nourishment of aloe vera, coconut oil, and cacao oil. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Styles are defined and hair is left flexible, springy, and touchable, keeping your texture juicy and joyful. Alright, period. That's all I needed to hear. So we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this. Oh, hold on, let me take the seal off. I just can't get over this cream. Like, it looks like I put a gel in my hair. This is how my hair looks when I put a gel in it, y'all. What the fuck? Okay, so it's not a very thick and heavy gel. Not at all. I like this. At least the consistency of it. Let's see how it feels in my hair. Oh my gosh. It feels like there's silicone in this. That's how slippery this gel is. And it's got a good hold too. Wow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take a little bit more gel and I'm going to work it mainly in the back of my hair. I only put this bit in the front because I feel like the texture in the back and how my hair in the back handles the product, that'll really, you know, tell us what's up. So I'm taking a little bit more and I'm just smoothing it to like the bottom half of my head, like up underneath, and just because that tends to get a little frizzy too. And I don't really have much to say. There's not much commentary for this video just because I literally just want to see what the product is doing. Like, there's not many reviews on this. This is a first impression sort of video. Bitch, I'm impressed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other half of my head and I will be right back. Y'all, look at these curls. Look at this. Unclockable. So surprisingly, my hair is drying pretty quickly. I just finished putting the product into the right side of my hair. So all I have left to use is the edge control. Tracee also sent me some hair tools, so I have a pick that I will be using in a wide tooth comb. I won't be needing it obviously for today, but I'm gonna be using this to add some volume to my hair just because I honestly feel like I put a little too much of the styling cream on because it's oil based. It's got shea butter in it as well, so it may be a little too heavy if you have a finer grain of hair, but we'll see in the final result. But honestly, I'm obsessed with the way my hair looks now. The styling cream and the gel that I use, they do work very well together, but the hold for the gel, if you were to use it with another product, something that's a little bit lighter, it may not be that effective just because I feel like the styling cream had just about the same amount of hold as the gel. It's weird. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look as far as the curls, and all I'm going to say is Tracee did not come to play, okay? So I will say that styling cream, it is very oily. I'm not saying my hair is greasy. My hair is very moisturized actually, but it's something that I would have to use in like small moderation just because it's such a moisturizing styling cream. But I'd highly recommend you guys to try it out because I mean the curls are moisturized. But as far as the hold, there's really not much of a strong hold. My hair does not really have much of a cast, but my hair, you know, it still has definition. So the curls are bouncy. I mean, this is a pretty good wash and go. So I didn't really stretch my hair out that much just because, like I said, there wasn't really much hold. And I wanted you guys to see how my curls looked on its own before I, like, you know, did any tampering or anything. So before I actually mess with that, there's still one more product that I said I was going to review. So I'm going to take my hair and pull it back. I can literally feel, like, the shea butter on my hair. I'm telling y'all, this is like a really moisturizing cream. I have my mirror and we are going to mess with these edges, alright? We're not going to talk about the braids because they're overdue. They need to be washed. What I'm going to do is test out this edge control. I don't really like edge controls like that. What I use on my hair is not necessarily meant for edges or anything. And then plus, look at this. This has like a pomade, it smells good, but it has like a pomade texture to it. But yeah, FYI, I don't use edge controls for my edges. I actually use gels. So this should be interesting. I'm gonna pull y'all in just a little bit closer so y'all can see what I'm doing, even though I don't really know what I'm doing because literally like half my braid has come out. These aren't even baby hairs at this point. This is like adult hairs, but I'm still gonna lay them regardless. So I'm taking the edge brush that she gifted me as well. Some of y'all be getting so bothered by me laying my edges, and I just don't understand why, because just like I'm not forcing you to do the same. I don't understand. I mean, I understand, I get it, but I also don't give a fuck. So I do it because why not? I have edges, they're here. Might as well have fun with them while they're here. Okay, but this edge control, y'all, this is a fucking edge control. Like, can y'all see that? Like, this shit is literally glued to my forehead. So I'm not doing anything too crazy because half of this is literally like my adult hairs, and I don't want to have like 3 hairlines, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm just basically taking a little bit of hair out and I'm swooping it back into the braid. And because my hair is dark, you really won't even be able to see. All you'll see is the swoops in the front. So love that. But I really like this edge control. Like, this is something that I might actually use, y'all. Take my sideburns and kind of like curl them up how Irvin did when he did my undercut. I will say though, this edge control, it's very tacky, so you're gonna have to like work quick because this dries quick. How does that look? Good? Alright, bet. So we're gonna move on to the next side. I'm gonna do this side off camera, and then I'll let y'all see like the final look. Okay, so this is what this side is looking like. Everything is laid. I think it looks good. Oh, let me back up. But yeah, you guys, we have come to the end of the video. My final thoughts on these products are, I actually enjoyed them. They don't have many harmful ingredients. The styling cream is very moisturizing, almost too moisturizing for my hair. The gel, that's a gel that I typically use, just not in conjunction with that cream. Honestly, it's just too much oils, it's too much shea butter, it's too much moisture sitting on my hair right now. And I'm not gonna be stretching my hair. What you see is what you get. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Oh yeah, and we got a little pick in here. Let me see if I can add a little. Oh wow, I haven't used a pick in my hair in so long. This is like the biggest pick that I've ever used in my life. Hold on, y'all. I may not be able to stretch my hair, but I can still make it look pretty damn big. That is gonna be the end of this video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, okay? Because let's be real, you can't resist me. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to watch another video. And I will see you guys in my next video.